Hi, Pam Washington here from A1 Janitorial Services. So I have a question for you today. Do you travel for business? If you do, I have some potentially bad news for you. Today, a new report was released from Orkin. You may remember Orkin as the National Pest Control Company, and they've released their annual study of cities that have infestations of bed bugs. I'll put a link for it here below. But they listed the top 50 cities. The bad news is that Las Vegas is moving up on that list. The good news is that we are still quite low. We are only number 45 on that list, so it's not a huge problem. However, in this list that was released, Orkin is releasing results for not only residential infestations, but also commercial infestations. So just wanted to give you a quick alert in case you travel for business. It's something that you want to be very careful about. Not only do you not want to bring an infestation back with you to your home, but you want to be a little concerned about your office space as well if you or any of the executives at your place of business travel for business. So hopefully you are using a company like A1 Janitorial Services for your office cleaning that can partner with you and stay in touch with these sorts of trends and can keep your facility safe and infestation free. We don't do pest control, but we partnered with some well-known companies, and we can make sure to keep your place sparkling clean. We are your one-stop shop for all of your facility cleaning purposes, so give us a call. Hope to speak with you soon. Bye for now.